Standard 6th, Subject Geography, Lesson number 5, Temperature. In the given diagram, it is seen that sun rays coming towards the earth travel in straight lines. However, as the earth is spherical in shape, these are not perpendicular to all the parts of the earth surface. In some parts, they are perpendicular, whereas in other parts, they are slanting. Let us see that effect it has on the earth. Based on the distribution of temperature, the earth can be divided into torrid, temperate, and frigid zones. Though latitude is the main factor, there are other factors which influence the distribution of temperature. Their effects are limited in a particular region. These factors are as follows: nearness to the sea, height above the sea level, and physical setup of a region are factors that lead to diversity in the climate of different regions. Other than these factors, cloud cover, winds, vegetation cover, urbanization, industrialization, etc., also influence the local climate. The sun rays fall between 0 degree and 23 degree 30 north and south perpendicular. As the effect, the area receives bright sunlight and greater heat. Therefore, this area is known as torrid zone. The area between 23 degree 30 and 66 degree 30 north and south, the sun rays are slanting. As an effect, these area receives less bright sunlight and less heat. Therefore, this area is known as temperate zones. Between 66 degree 30 and 90 degree north and south, the sun rays are extremely slanting. As its effect, these areas receive extremely less bright sunlight and extremely less heat. Therefore, these areas are known as frigid zone. Here is an experiment to understand the temperature ranges. Take 2 pots of the same size and fill them with water equally. At sunrise, keep one of the pots inside the house and the other one outside. See that it remains in the sun all the time. The next experiment: in the afternoon, walk barefoot on the floor inside the house and feel the temperature of the floor. Feel the temperature of the water in the pot inside. Perform the same activity outside the house and get the feel of the temperature of land and the water kept in the sun. Do this again around 7 in the evening and note your observation again. Let's see the temperature at certain places. In the coastal region of Konkan, the range of temperature is less. For example, Mumbai temperature are even, but at Nagpur they vary a lot. In short, the difference in the day and night temperature is less in the coastal areas and more in the continental areas. Higher during the daytime and lower at night. This leads to sharp difference in the day and night temperature. The difference in the maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called diurnal range of temperature. Therefore, coastal areas have an equable climate, whereas in continental areas, but in Vidarbha the range of temperature is found to be high